fishing with this grasshopper crankbait on, doing some secret tunnel fishing. Let's get right into it. There, that's like the way you came down. Go through the tunnel. Not sketchy at all. Oh, it's super sketchy in here. Just gonna walk in the water. I don't even. There's no bass in here or anything though. You can swipe that by every single fish that goes by. Oh, look, it's getting swarmed. Oh, that's the big one. That's the big one. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. I don't want to go crazy when I put my hands on him. It's huge. Got that on that little grasshopper crankbait. There it is. Right there. Whoa, there he went. Probably. That's why they bite every single lure. Oh, this guy's getting slammed by all the fish on the surface. Oh, what was that? Did the big one, dude, the same big one hit it again. Like the size, it was like an inch long. And stuff. I'll snag though in that. Oh, of course I snagged. No, we're good. Look at this little guy. Out the grasshopper. There we go. This guy hooked himself on every single hook I think possible. Alright, it's good. It's back to tightness.
You want me to go crosswind?
Nah, I don't want to scare the fish away. That's the only problem.
Is that okay?
Yeah, I got a little baby one. I don't want this guy. Alright, so how I reel this is like cast it out and I just like do some jerks real quick with it. And if it's deeper, then I will do some like harder ones. But if it's shallower, then I just go like little light ones. And usually then I let it rest, go up to the surface, and they usually hit it on the rest. Yeah, like a little one just hit it right there. Just there's a bunch of green sunfish in here. Actually, I'm not even really sure what else there is in here. This is the little Patuxent River, like a little offstream of it. So, I mean, I guess technically there could be any fish in here. But like, oh, there's one. That's a nice green sunfish. Don't go over. What if it's like a snake or something? Don't go over. No! He got caught. Could not lose this. Oh. Where the big fish at? They like kind of left. Oh, there's the darter. There's the darter. I see him. Oh, dude, I hate this braid on this tiny little lure. Oh, got a little one. Wait, no, this one's big. Rod back in it. Yeah. I got it here. He was like over. No, that one just fell off. It wasn't even there anymore. You put that right on top of him.
He didn't seem interested.
He chases it, but he doesn't bite this. It's kind of annoying. Oh! I was not paying attention when I was doing there. Rip. Might be the end of this guy. Oh no. Oh, this can cast a lot farther. Seen him. Gonna put it right there in the middle. Oh, what's that? No, it's not the darter. There we go. Oh, he's pulling my drag. Oh, wow. No, this one's bigger. Just some black lump on top of his head. Thank you for viewing the video, guys. Like, subscribe, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Go fishing.